Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and change out my tail light bulb since it is out. I'll go ahead and show you the working one. So this one's working perfectly fine, and then this one's not lighting up, so this is a bad one. So I just went ahead to AutoZone and got me this one. So the number is 2357. You can go ahead and pick it up at your local auto parts. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go ahead and take these two screws off. So then once that's done, you can go ahead and just pull out your tail light assembly. Alright, so it's pretty stuck on there. So you can actually see there's only two connections, which is your reverse and then your brake light. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and twist it and just pull it out. Here it is. This is a bad one. I'm going to go ahead and get the new one. And then you go ahead and just put it right back in like that. And then you can go ahead and put it right back in. And before you actually go ahead and put your whole assembly back in, you want to make sure it works. So there we go, it's turning on, it's pretty good. So since we saw that it is working, I'll go ahead and put it back in. Alright, so there you have it. Quick, short, and easy video for you guys.